Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable AppSheet notifications for project forms, full guide step by step clearly. Open the AppSheet application on your device. Log into your account if required. Select the project that contains the form you want to modify. Navigate to the Data section in the left-hand menu. Click on Tables to view the list of tables associated with your project. Locate the table associated with the form for which you wish to disable notifications. Click on the table to open its settings. In the Table Settings, find the Notifications tab. Click on the Notifications tab to expand the options. You will see different notification settings here. Look for the option labeled Send Notifications when a new row is added or similar. Uncheck the box next to this option to disable notifications for new rows. If you want to disable notifications for other actions, repeat this process for those settings. Once you have made the necessary changes, scroll to the bottom of the page. Click the Save button to apply your changes. Return to the main dashboard of your project to ensure your changes have been saved. Test the form to confirm that notifications have been disabled effectively. This completes the process of disabling AppSheet notifications for your project forms. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.